Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening the File Manager with elevated rights. This gives access beyond your normal view. Once done, enable the option to show hidden files, typically a toggle or the Ctrl+H shortcut, because hidden folders are simply flagged, not removed. Make sure to apply filters like name patterns or recent dates to focus results, and remember that system folders may require administrator or sudo permissions to appear and to avoid accidental changes. Now shift to inspection. Use terminal commands such as lsla on Unix or // on Windows to list hidden entries. This reveals the why behind invisibility, typically an attribute flag. Once visible, analyze attributes. Hidden, system, or read-only. These explain access constraints. Preview files with a safe viewer or text editor to confirm purpose and do not execute unknown binaries. If needed, change attributes temporarily to copy or backup. To finish, decide whether to keep folders visible. If not, restore their hidden attribute to reduce clutter and security risk. If something is still missing, use file recovery or forensic tools to search unallocated space and logs. These tools can recover deleted hidden folders. Make sure permissions are correct. Use chown/chmod on Unix or iCackles on Windows to fix access problems, and if access fails, verify you have the right account or elevation before attempting destructive changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.